In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted spam mail in Gmail. First, let's quickly talk about what happens when an email ends up in your spam folder. Gmail automatically filters messages it thinks are unwanted or suspicious and sends them to spam. Sometimes, though, an important email gets caught there by mistake, and if you delete it from spam, it doesn't disappear right away. It usually moves to the trash folder for a limited time before being permanently removed. Our goal in this video is to check those places and recover the email while it's still available. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing into your account. Once you're in your inbox, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a list of folders like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and so on. If you don't immediately see the spam or trash folders, scroll down and click More to expand the full list. First, click on the spam folder. Take a moment to scan through the messages here. If you find the email you accidentally marked as spam, select it by clicking the checkbox next to it. At the top of the page, look for the option that says Not Spam. Click that, and Gmail will automatically move the email back to your inbox. From now on, messages from that sender are less likely to be flagged as spam, especially if you continue to interact with them, like replying or adding the sender to your contacts. If you've already deleted the message from spam, it will usually be in the trash folder. Click on Trash from the left-hand menu. Keep in mind that Gmail only keeps deleted messages here for about 30 days. After that, they're permanently removed and can't be recovered through normal settings. So timing is important. In Trash, look through the list of emails and find the one you want to restore. Select it with the checkbox. Then go to the Move To icon at the top and choose Inbox or any other folder where you want it to go. Once moved, you'll be able to open and use that email just like any other message. To prevent this issue in the future, check your spam folder regularly, especially if you're expecting an important email. When you see a legitimate message in spam, mark it as not spam right away. This helps train Gmail's filters so that similar emails go directly to your inbox instead of being misclassified.